Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting your audio and phone ready. Charge the headset to at least 10% and power it on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, install Edifier Connect and allow the requested permissions so the app can scan. Open the app and sign in or use guest mode. This keeps settings synced or lets you proceed quickly. Tap the Add Device button. This initiates pairing and moves you into the device discovery workflow immediately. You'll now complete the middle steps. Put the headset into pairing mode by holding its pairing button until the LED blinks, because the app can only see discoverable devices. Then select your device from the app list and accept the phone's Bluetooth pairing request to establish the link. After connection, the app may prompt a firmware update. Accept it to ensure features work. Finally, adjust audio presets and channel assignment so sound and controls match your preference. Finish by testing audio playback, microphone input, and button mappings using the app diagnostics so you confirm everything works. Save the device to your account so it auto-reconnects and retains equalizer or firmware preferences. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the headset and phone, toggle Bluetooth and app permissions, then reopen Edifier Connect and re-add the device. This clears stale states and resolves most pairing or detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.